Classic brownies have over 460 calories per serving, while this version has just 124, almost 4 times fewer. A perfect option for those who love sweets but don't want to compromise their health or fitness goals. Packed with protein, fiber, and pure chocolate flavor. For the batter, I blend cottage cheese, dates, cocoa powder, salt, baking powder, 2 eggs, and Greek yogurt until smooth. Then, I grease the baking pan lightly with oil spray to avoid extra calories. Pour in the batter and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. If, like me, you're always looking for desserts that won't get in the way of your weight goals, make sure to subscribe. There's more to come. For the chocolate glaze, I mix Greek yogurt, cocoa powder, and stevia, a sweetener that won't impact weight or blood sugar. Once the brownies have cooled, I spread the glaze on top. They turn out rich, chocolatey, and so satisfying. It's hard to believe they're actually healthy. What's a dessert you could eat every day? Let me know in the comments. I'll try to make it with no extra calories. Enjoy your dessert. Your healthy sweet tooth friend, Karina.